We often separate the plastic pollution problem from the climate change issue, when in actuality, plastic contributes significantly to global warming, to greenhouse gas emissions, and to pollution at every stage of its life cycle.
Because plastics are made from fossil fuels, they're part of that process that emits, an enormous amount of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. When it breaks down, and especially when it's burned, it also releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. One piece of research suggests that if plastic were a country, it would be the 5th biggest greenhouse gas emitter in the world.
When I think about climate change, I feel really scared.
Discouraged.
Hopeless. Frustrated.
It's something huge looming over our heads right now and takes precedence because it's kind of a matter of life and death, especially for some more than others. It's happening at such a mass scale that there's nothing really one individual person can do by themselves.
People wonder what they can do as individuals to stop this crisis of plastic pollution, and that's a good instinct, but this is not going to be solved by a bunch of individuals trying to buy less plastic. We need to expand the bans on this so-called convenient plastic that's filling up our bodies and the environment with plastic pollution. And the other thing we're looking for is for governments really to invest and support and require a system or systems of really accessible and affordable, reusable products.
So climate change is more than just an environmental justice issue, it's also a human rights issue. Black and brown bodies that are affected the most, poor people that are affected the most, are not being heard.
The problem is that because we don't associate the climate problem with the plastic problem, we're not realizing that fighting climate change also means fighting the plastic pollution issue.
It's no longer a case where we can tweak the system. It really demands raising it to the ground and building it up again.
Fight climate change.
Fight plastic.